The pineal gland. The pineal gland is a conid-shaped body, 6 mm high and 4 mm in diameter. It's the organ through which the electrical forces of the body play. It's what the universal essence soul consciousness deposited. It is the light of the body that gives life to the whole temple. The pineal is the male spiritual organ. This gland is the mind's eye. This is what sees the mental screen in our mind when we imagine something. The pineal gland opens when the two eyes are shut for periods of time. The more spiritual work you do, the more active the pineal gland becomes. The pineal gland is covered in microcrystals. Crystals have the ability to receive and emit frequencies. Crystals on pineal gland. The pineal gland has pixoluminescent cells which are crystalline jagged-shaped. The retina of the two eyes also has these cells. The pineal has them because it takes in light and refracts, and emits light. The pineal gland is emitting light. This is why we say enlightenment. The Vatican suppressed the information on the pineal gland's mystical powers. The Vatican took over Europe and destroyed and stole all the knowledge and libraries containing all the ancient texts and information of our true powers. They then created an encoded holy Bible to keep people looking out, of themselves for God. Everything in the body leads back to one source point, which is the center of the brain. The center of the brain is the pineal gland, which we refer to as I. When we say I, we are referring to the inner being, observer, entity, which is controlling the body. If we say my body, then if it's mine, it is not me. This body is the vehicle for our soul entity to operate within this physical world of time and space. Mark 16:19. He was taken up into heaven, and he sat at the right hand of God. The right hand of God is the right hemisphere of the brain. The right hemisphere is to do with creativity, intuition, and insight, which is connected to the cerebrum, the higher brain.